Now the next question, which is again commonly asked during the exam, that is factorial of natural number input during the program execution. We just wanted to find out the factorial. As in mathematics, we all know, if I want to calculate the factorial, so like this we write 5 factorial, and how it is calculated: 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, like that the factorial is calculated, right? So final answer of this 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 2, 120, and 120 into 1 is 120 only. So factorial of 5 is 120. So this particular answer we need to find out. So for the same, we have taken some variables in our program. First variable is fact equal to I. After that, I variable I have declared, then n variable is there. After that, we have taken the number from the user whose factorial we want to find out. So from this line, now I am showing you the execution. That is, suppose I am entering the value of n as 4. Means I want to find out the factorial of 4, and for the same I have written this particular logic. So this logic now we will see. So what is the logic? First, I equal to 1, I value is 1. Then condition is I less than equal to 4. So I less than equal to 4 we will write, and after that, as the condition is true, I less than 4, that is 1 less than 4 condition is true, because of which this particular statement will get executed. So fact equal to fact into I. So what is value of fact which we have initialized? 1. So 1 into I. What is value of I? 1. So 1 into 1 will get performed. Then because of I plus plus, again because of this I plus plus, I value will get increased by 1. So now I is 2. Again condition checking will be there. 2 less than equal to 4, condition is true. Then the factorial operation will get performed. Fact equal to fact into I. So now we will take the previous iteration value for this multiplication, that is 1 into what is value of I variable? 2. So now we will get 2 as a factorial. Similarly, I equal to 3. 3 less than equal to 4, again condition is true, because of which fact equal to fact into I. So this previous iteration fact, that is 2, will be taken for the further iteration, and into I's value, that is 3, that is 6 answer we will get. Again because of I plus plus, I will be 4. Then 4 less than equal to 4, again condition is true, because of which fact equal to the previous answer, that is 6 into I, that is 4, that is 24 will get displayed. Then because of I plus plus, again I's value will get incremented, that is 5. But as the condition which we have written, 5 less than equal to 4, value of n is 4. So this comparison will take place and the condition will be false. So at the end of this iteration, after the exiting from the for loop, last value which is stored inside the factorial is 24. And I think the factorial of 4 is 24 only. So that will get displayed because of this particular cout statement. Factorial of n is 4 only, so factorial of 4 is 24. Like that, this particular execution will take place. I hope it is clear to you. Factorial of any number. So normally while calculating the factorial, we normally multiply like this, 5 into 4 into 3. But if we are multiplying the numbers like in this manner, still we will get same answer at the end. So that I have added in this particular logic. So I hope it is clear to you. So now we will move to the next question.